welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna teach BTS ON. Yay! Okay, so let's get started. We're gonna hit this pose on 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we're gonna do jump, reach out, come back here, and then this leg step down, go zoom. Down, up, like this, and then we go step our left feet, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and again, 6, 7, 8, go, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and we go step, 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 step. Left, right. On the fourth right leg, we're gonna go hook. So let's come on. Boom. We come straight up. 1 and 2 and up. Right, left, hit. Your hands go in a circle to the left first. Left, up, in, out. 1 time, again 2 times, and then this time we go down. Right, left, come up on the right, left, boom, up, down, and down, open on right, and step out, look down, and grab. And then we push away, push, and come back in. Use your right hand to zoom. Zoom, so face, chest, and go down. Watching my tutorial of ON, and if you guys like it, there's also a dance cover on my channel, so please don't forget to watch it and support me with the thumbs up. Okay, if you like it, please subscribe me, so don't forget to follow my Instagram. I will post tutorial weekly, so please follow me. Thank you so much. Till next time, bye bye.